So get your camera ready.
Go. Drop it. Just drop it.
Where's that?
Go.
That's mud. See? Fail. What the fuck?
So there's the volcano. Put it down, please. Put it down, please.
That's something.
Okay. Oh, what did you do that for, Jamie?
It's Jamie.
Jamie.
That's some silly stuff.
Okay, now remember, you have to be able to explain how that links with the volcano. Look at this one now, number 2. Scott, if you can just hold those.
Yeah, let me put it on.
Okay.
Give us one, Jaden.
I don't know. I won't put it on.
Now listen, what are we looking for here? What do we want to see?
What one erupts first?
Which one erupts the most? Which volcano, cold or hot? Come on, listen. Put it down right now. Put it down.
Yeah, we'll chop it in.
Put it down. Put it down. Can you put yours down, please? Thank you. Do not pick up any more ice. Quite clear?
Yes, man.
Which one? Which one is going to erupt?
That one.
We will try.
That one.
We will try 2, and you have to be able to explain it. Come and stand over here, please.
Yeah.
You don't touch other people.
Ready, man.
Right. So let's have a look. We'll do this one first.
Wait up.
Oh,
You have to shake.
you want to shake it up a bit?
Yep.
All right.
Shake it up now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'll put it.
Oh, you won't. Stand back, please, so that people can video. Don't touch it. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stand back so it can be videoed. If you don't have a video, you're wasting my time and your time. Okay, I hope you've got that on video because I want you to explain it. Okay. Please leave me alone because I'm not having you in this part that you're going to interfere. Okay. So there's the 3 little experiments. Let's go back to class and we'll explain what's happened. You'll just pop that in the rubbish bin. You videoed me, eh? Larry, if you keep that up. Hey, drink it. I'm sorry,
I can drink that or
Get
not?
some mint.